Is it still possible to get scammed on the Cash app on 2025? In short, yes, of course it's still possible. In fact, recently a Taipei Island woman has lost nearly $3,000 in a Cash app scam. Imagine that, $3,000, and that was just from a scam. Now you can see scammer can uses a lot of loopholes, a lot of circles, a lot of confusing methods so they can get money out of you. But of course, there is way to avoid this. A lot of methods and a lot of things that the scammers will use will be purposely confusing or purposely misleading, so you will need to learn how to spot those patterns. But of course, you can do a couple of things to protect yourself. Things are like not sharing your personal details online, and you need to review your bank account statement regularly. You need to use strong and unique password. And the most important of all, do not click suspicious links. Most of them are phishing link. And if you click on that, all of your info could get stolen by a snap of a finger. Always stay vigilant, especially in this sort of things where money is a very important thing.